Hello, it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I want to show you how the reversing camera works in the Audi A5, the latest new shape Audi A5 S5 VIN designation. So let's get to it. You've got a normal screen as normal. Listen to the radio. If you select the reverse gear, it automatically detects the camera, switches it on, and you've got the camera here and the guidelines showing moving left and right. There you go. And also you get the optical sensors here. This car came with the optical sensors as factory. We've done the camera, original Audi one here, so you get both working together at the same time. And the operation, let me show you. So we're reversing, it moves. There you go. And if I go forward, it doesn't switch off until you hit around 5 miles per hour. So even when you're driving forward slowly, it will also stay and still show you the rear view. Everything fitted to the factory specification, includes 3 years warranty. So please get in touch, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.